What's going on, guys? I'm Sela and welcome to my very first video in this channel. In this video I'll try to explain what is Appwrite. Appwrite is open source platform. Basically, if you didn't heard it before, it is actually very similar to Firebase, and we can call it as backend as a service. So it means you don't need to write any backend code for your project. Basically, since it is open source, you can host that service in your server for free, but they also have their cloud version. Even it is a paid service, there's also a free version of it. And I believe that if you want to prototype some of your ideas, that free version will be enough for you guys. And at some point, if it is not enough, you can switch to pro version to be not limited. So as I said, it is backend as a service. So basically, while using Appwrite, you'll have an authentication system, database to store your data, serverless functions if you need some, and also you'll have storage to store some of your images, videos, or the other files. So the next video, I'll try to show you guys how you can use that in Next.js. Hope you enjoyed while watching the video. Please make sure you hit the like button and also leave some comments if you want to see that kind of videos.